Good morning, guys. Today is nice. Yeah, the weather's, I don't know if it's really good, but it's cold. I'm actually feeling cold. Today is summer, but yeah, in the past few days it was very hot. There are even reports about heat stroke, about the burning forest, something like that. And there are even those what is that, the bat, the flying fox that are dying because of the what's that, because of the heat. Yeah, and today I'm going to the gym in just in this building. Today I will be working at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The time now is 9 o'clock, so I still have a few hours to prepare things and go to the gym first. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I'm going to work today now, and today I will be taking a bus because yeah, lately I am taking the bus instead of walking because it is sometimes very hot and it makes me so much sweat, and I don't like that. So yeah, today is not very hot, but still I am going to take a bus. And the bus is arriving now. Very easy, very quick. The time now is 2:40, and I still have 20 minutes before getting to work. Hey guys, good morning. Yo, listen up, yo. Yeah, today is my day off, like as usual. And yeah, we're going to a place that a nature, like with trees and river and sea and water, blah blah blah. Yes, we'll see you later. There is F-45 training on that side. There is Camp America. There are those shops, and this is the Oxford Village, and that is where I am working out. There is Fitness First upstairs, and I am sitting here. And this is actually the place where I usually see a lot of homeless. Yeah, homeless. I don't know what, but you know, I said homeless because they are asking money. One time I was passing in this way, and they talked to me and asked for my skateboard, and they teach me something, and then later on they asked money from me. Yeah, but it's okay. I give them like a $5, and they are happy with that. So yeah, I am actually not decided where to go. That's why I am sitting here. I have been sitting there for like more than 30 minutes. It's nice. I feel that that place is a perfect place to stay, to watch the, you know, the view, the people. things like that. And I already bought Opal to load my Opal card. And the good thing is that I because I have the tips of Gian, and I use that, and then I send the tips to her through online transaction, $30. So this is where usually the skateboarder do their stunts exhibition, something like that. Yeah. And in the afternoon, usually they gather there together, and yeah, they are doing their stunts, man. It is 29 degree today here in Sydney, but it's not a problem because there is no humidity. So it's okay to walk around. And when there is a big trees like this, you don't feel the heat. You feel amazing. Look at that. Looks like a banana tree, but it's not. Yeah, in the Philippines, even in our house, in the backyards, we have a lot of banana before. Look at this ibis bird. These ibis birds, there's everywhere here in the city. They are usually in the garbage area. They are picking up some food. Good morning, guys. It's time to go to work now. The time is 8:05 and the temperature is around 25 degree. The sun is up there, but there is no humidity. The weather is nice. Today is my anniversary at work. I started at work from February 17, 2016, and yeah, it was nice. On the first day we don't know what to do. I mean, we are shocked, we are surprised. Yeah, like what I've said, the kitchen in Dubai is much better. So that's the first thing we notice when we get inside the kitchen of the restaurant here. Maybe one of the reasons why the kitchen in Dubai looks better, because yeah, most of the building in Dubai are new, and yeah, most of the building here in Sydney are old. And yeah, and there's one restaurant actually was built during the 1800 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and my friend told me that the changing room is very old. Like if you do something like this, some dust will get down. Yeah, that is how it is. But yeah, it's not really a big deal. It's still a good experience. Coming from Dubai, we traveled to Norway, and then Belgium, and then Netherlands, and then Italy, and then Sri Lanka, and then the rest of the countries in Southeast Asia except the Philippines. And then while waiting for the visa, we stayed there in Southeast Asia, and the last time was in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. And when we get the visa here, I received it while I was in Kuala Lumpur. So I fly from Kuala Lumpur to Sydney. I arrived here in February 10, 2016, and I still have like 1 week before I started working. And during that time, I don't have money, like I always mention. And like what I've said, I borrow money from one of the lady in the office. It is red, but I'll cross like them. If you can see that there is one hotel there, the name is Larmont Sydney by Lansmore. So Larmont Sydney, I actually applied for a job there, and they want me to do the trial, and then I sent a message that I am actually looking for a 457 visa, things like that. I explained my visa, and they replied and they said that they are not approved to do sponsorship. So that is one of the example I'm telling you about the visa, about job application here. So this is the King's Cross. This is actually the red light district here in Sydney. But yeah, in the night you will see ladies outside. They are just wearing their their panties and bra. Yeah, just in front of their door. Just maybe around 3 doors from there, here, and somewhere here. Sometimes, yeah, in the night they are outside wearing their dance outfit. But I would say that red light district here is not extreme like the one in Bangkok, in Netherlands, in Amsterdam. Yeah, it is not. Here is still like mild. Yeah, maybe. But I've never been inside of those because I'm thinking those are expensive. So just looking at it outside is, I think, enough. Look at that, there is a nice dog. Hey guys, good morning. The time now is 6:21 in the morning. Yeah, for me this is the right time. I mean, look at the darkness. This is the the usual, the normal morning that I am waking up in the Philippines, in Dubai. Yeah, like this. This is the right 6 o'clock in the morning. Look at that. So that's the Sydney CBD, and I don't know. Today I will be working from 7 o'clock until hopefully 3 o'clock. Yeah, hopefully 3 o'clock, because if I finish all the thing, then I can go. But if it gets busy, then I need to stay a little bit longer. That's the normal scenario in the kitchen. Chefs or cook usually stays a bit longer if they feel that they need to be in the kitchen. Yeah, it happens most of the time, and sometimes we are extending not just 1 hour, maybe 2 or 3 hours. It happens all the time. I didn't put anything on my stomach yet. Even a coffee, I did not take it yet. But maybe I'm going to McDonald's on that side, and I'll be having a hash brown and orange juice. That is around $4. This is the fitness first here in King's Cross. I'll be there at around 4 o'clock later after my duty. I'm at work now. See you later, mate. Good afternoon, guys. Today yeah, half of the day I work in this shopping mall in Westfield. Yeah, our restaurant have a branch in there, and yeah, in the middle of the day the chefs asked me to go there and help the other guys, and so I went. That is around 11 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I just left. The time now is 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and now I am going home. Today my original plan was to go to the gym after work, that is around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, but since they sent me to another restaurant, so I get out at around 5 o'clock just now, so I will not be able to go to the gym this time. So, and because I need to meet my friend that is going to Melbourne. Yeah, so sad because she's my workmate, and she is also with the same visa like me, and also she came together with me here in Sydney. We came at the same time, but the company ended her contract, so she's now jobless, and now to save money she will go to our friend in Melbourne, and she will stay there for free, and that's the best way so that she can save money. She don't need to spend money because, like what I said, she is jobless and she is expecting a new job here in Australia, and she wants to stay here in Australia. So yeah, and where is she going? She's going to John, our friend, the guy that is with me together during the travel in Europe and in Southeast Asia, and my colleague, my friend in Dubai. Yeah, she's going there. Yeah, John already got a job in Melbourne a long time ago. If you remember the video that we went to Apollo Bay and Great Ocean Road, yeah, he did an interview there, and then he got the job, and now he's there like already 5 months that he is working there. Nice. Also the Filipino friend, our friend that we met before here in Sydney, he is also already there working. Nice, good for them. So I have 3 shoes with me now. I have these shoes that I'm wearing now, the amazing one, and then I have my chef shoes in my bag, and a rubber shoes because I am supposed to go to the gym. But the plan was broken. Anyway, it's still good. I am here now in the Hyde Park, and yeah, the weather is like this. The rain is just gone. Yeah, it is raining. There is a little bit of rain, but I need to walk. Look at this. Fortune teller, beauty parlor, acupuncture, Vietnamese restaurant. Yeah, I'm going to the house of the friend. Like what I've said already, she's going to Melbourne. Look at the houses here. These are some hidden houses in here.
Kamusta doon?
Sa ano ko sa Westfield ako nag-duty kanina.
Talaga? Doon ka na?
Hindi ah. The owner of the signboard is Coca-Cola. It's always Coca-Cola since long time ago. And there is a new Coca-Cola, the color green one, with stevia. I don't know what is that. I tried that, but it tastes just like more vanilla. I don't know if we have that in the Philippines. Tell me if you have. It would be nice. today I didn't bring my cup, and people can see the baldness of my hair, my head, but no problem. This is the real me, and people can look at it any way they want. So they are setting up now the weekend market, and that we call that Change. And they have everything. They have food stall, they have a clothing store, accessories store, everything. They have everything, and it's nice because you get to see different kind of stuff that you don't usually see in a daily walk. Yeah, it's nice to visit a place like that. I am just shy to make video, so I won't be able to show you what are those they have. I will be working from 9 o'clock. I still have 10 minutes, and I'll finish at 10 o'clock in the evening. You know what, these days, because the weather is not good, I mean it's hot outside, and there are some molds that growing like around the wall. And last time I saw here some molds on top of this here, and now I cleaned that. Yeah. But in here I look at this. You know, these are not my stuff. These are the stuff of John. You know, the my friend, and because he was staying on the other house before, and then he went to Apollo Bay. So he left this thing on the other house, and now the guys on the other house already left, and he needs to give me this. Now I'm going to send it to Apollo Bay. So that is how it works. That is why it's messy in here. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, today, you know what? I got a good news. Yeah, I think I'm getting the job. If you remember the one in Newcastle, yeah, they actually called me, the human resource department, the HR lady. She called me and told me that expect a call from a migration agent, and yeah, they will contact me for the processing of the visa. Yeah, I was thinking that why they just contact me, and it's been long time. Yeah, I mean it's more than a month. I was there in Newcastle for the application during the interview. You remember the one in looking for a job? Yeah, that's actually the one. And yeah, just now they contact me and send the message, not send my message, but they call me and telling me that yeah, one immigration, I'm telling it again, yeah, that they will contact me to process the visa. But I am wondering, because there's no offer letter, there is no contract, nothing, and they just told it to me via phone call and not via email. So yeah, you know, it's like a 75% that I am hoping for this job, but I think it's okay. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I'm going to work today at 3.